Hello, and welcome to Business Basics, a home bookkeeper mini-series. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper and director of my business financial services and development firm, EDJ Consulting Group. On this channel, I try to make finance fun while giving you tangible insights on all things entrepreneurship, profit growth, and business financials. In this series, I will be covering the basics when it comes to starting your own business. Here in episode 4, I am covering the backbone of any business, the operating accounts. Now that you have a business name, a logo and website design, or at least a vision, and you have selected the entity you wish to form, it's time to move right along into getting your business operational. You're almost there. Operating accounts are a firm fund account that can receive bill payments. Bill payments include matters of payroll, office expenses, etc. Personally, I like to call all of the accounts your business needs to have set up in order to operate an operating account. That includes any state accounts and taxation accounts that may be required. Like a car cannot operate without a transmission, your business won't last long without your operating accounts. Story time. Over the years I've spent in the financial industry, I've never seen something as careless as what I'm about to share with you. A while back, I was working with an art gallery client who had locations in multiple states. I became this new gallery owner's bookkeeper in the midst of a partner removal or buyout. He was in the process of buying out his investor partner and taking over the galleries for himself. Yay for him, right? What an awesome move in business it is to buy out your investors and go out on your own. However, the investor partner's company handled every little thing when it came to the operations of the actual business and treated the now gallery owner as more of a gallery manager. Throughout the process of the buyout, the gallery owner never thought to set up new operating accounts. As his bookkeeper, I could estimate tax payments and schedule the payments to go out to the accounts within QuickBooks Online, but I couldn't actually set up the accounts for him. This is a business owner's responsibility. Needless to say, the gallery owner was way behind, incurred hefty fines and fees, and was completely a fish out of water going through this buyout alone. Moral of the story, it's important to keep all of your ducks in a row rather than trying to backpedal or catch up later. And this also shows the importance of asking for help when you need it. Seek out a professional if you feel like you are drowning in the sea that is entrepreneurship. Contracting help in instances like this will oftentimes be more affordable than the fees and fines, back taxes owed, and of course the stress. Operating accounts are crucial to a business's success, and letting them get out of control or operating without proper licensure or permits can lead to the closure of your business. If you are a retail business or a business that sells a service where you charge a sales tax like an auto repair shop, you're going to need to set up a sales tax account under your state's government agency website. Once your account is set up, your account number can be linked to your QuickBooks Online profile, and your estimated sales tax payments can be generated there. Every state and every website is slightly different, so make sure you have spoken to your accounting professional first so you know what is required for your location. It is nothing less than a milestone if you are at the stage of setting up a payroll account. You started a small business which became successful, and now you are ready to employ a few people. Making a job opportunity for someone else is a big achievement, but if you are doing it for the first time, you might be feeling a bit nervous. There are some crucial elements which need to be taken into consideration so that you can avoid fines and Internal Revenue Service penalties. In most states, the two payroll taxes are withholding and unemployment insurance, aka unemployment tax and unemployment compensation. Employers must register for the appropriate accounts in order to hire employees, to process payroll, and to file tax returns. You can pay and file your payroll taxes through your QuickBooks Online profile. Though different from the other payroll tax account, the payroll tax expense account is the holding account used to track the balance of the employer contributions to payroll taxes, including Social Security, Medicare, and unemployment insurance payments. When payroll is processed, the employer liability is recognized in the payroll tax expense account. Workers' compensation insurance is typically required by the state when you reach the point of hiring employees. Workers' compensation is a form of insurance payment to employees if they are injured at work or become sick due to their work. Workers' compensation includes payments to employees to cover their wages while they are not fit for work, medical expenses, and rehabilitation. Now, if you are a landlord or maybe even own the building your business is ran out of, regardless of the type of business, you will have to pay property taxes on your holdings. Businesses pay property taxes on real estate in the same way as individuals, on the assessed value of that property. If your business owns real property, you must pay property tax on that property. In the same way as individuals pay property tax on the assessed value of their homes, businesses pay property tax on the assessed value of their real estate, land, and building. Property tax is tax deductible, however, as IRS policies change through time. Make sure you double check with your accounting professional on what portion of your property taxes are deductible. This account can be set up through your county and typically established at the time of purchase. Unfortunately, each state varies in its operational requirements. Make sure you double check with your state or contact your accountant to ensure you fulfill your state's requirements. For more business resources, supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. For even more content, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. If you need more assistance, personalized one-on-one entrepreneurship support, or business development consulting services, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com for a full list of services offered. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship journey.